Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then to the advanced, reset options, and here I have to select the first option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and then confirm it by tapping reset settings, and then reset settings one more time. And after that, network settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.